Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 40 Neo, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down again because we have to localize build number, which is crucial in order to activate the developer options. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm. We've got this information, so we can go back to the general settings and look for the developer options. They will appear in the system, so let's tap on them, and here we've got the developer options. So let's tap. And here, as you can see, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the strict mode, we can show view updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the animation scale. We can show surface updates and visual feedback for taps, so those are, I would say, more graphical options. Here we've got more technical ones connected with the networking, because we've got the Bluetooth options, USB, Wi-Fi options, etc. So basically a lot of advanced options which you can customize, and be aware whilst customizing, because they are really advanced and they may affect your device. So be sure that you will customize the options which you know what they will do. So in order to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in this animation scale, just tap on it to open more options from which you can choose. If you'd like to turn off the developer options, simply tap on the switcher at the very top, which is pinned to the top of the screen, just like that. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, they will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.